watched Grey's Anatomy last night. It was great.
What'd you watch?
Grey's Anatomy.
Nice.
This guy, they had a fire in the hospital, and the guy was bleeding profusely. He almost died.
Oh.
He did die, actually.
New show, no break, wipe your brow. Pretty sure what it is.
This reminds me of the X-Files.
Does it really? Wow.
Because the X-Files, they have all these weird people like that. And hung like
This is
that.
honestly a really good promotion for a car wash. I definitely like would have considered.
I'm loving this.
I'm loving this too. This is like X-Files. You know how X-Files have weird dead people now on the X-Files? That's not true.
Alright, we're off.
No, it's not true.
And away we go.
Away we go.
Yeah?
And away we go. We're gonna trouble style Jane Red Hooter.
You think we should have brought Teddy?
No.
No.
Neither is a guy here on the right.
I feel like you can barely say, oh my god.
Oh my god. Agent Mulder, where are you? Where's Mulder when I need him? Where's Mulder when they need him?
Yeah.
Say it.
Where's Mulder when we need him?
Where's Scully when we need him? Scully's good too. There you go. Agent Mulder, could you come to the front desk, please? Dr. Scully, please. I need Grey's Anatomy. I need Grey's Anatomy.
They like stints about this.
I need Grey's. She retired. She got really sick from COVID. She's in bed for months.
No, literally.
Yeah, I don't think Teddy would like this.
No.
No.
No. Teddy
Make sure he
would.
stayed home.
Like,
I'm
Shetty would be
glad.
enough of the regular car wash, let alone.
I'm glad he's home.
This is kind of boring.
This makes me laugh. This would make him laugh. This would make him laugh. This would really make him agitated. Make him agitated. Make him agitated. I don't want to see him agitated.
Hello.
Oh, hi! Where
Uh-huh.
did you come from?
Where did you come from?
Is there one in here too? There better be more water coming because I can't see shit.
I keep purposely looking at the corners to make sure that nobody can jump scare me.
They're hiding in the mist. Maybe like 10 people.
There should be standing bar. Probably. There's gotta be somebody right here.
Is that the person right there? Is there something hanging right in front of me right now? I don't think anybody did on
Dead body.
it. Saw that.
Dead body. Let's call it Scully.
Yes, let's.
Yes, let's call Scully. Say it.
Yes, let's call Scully.
Hey, let's play someone. Can I? I guess I could. Oh, hello, mister. Want to kill me? I'll kill you too with my knife. Watch my knife. Yeah, I'll stab you with it. These are normal guys. Good.
That's really cool.
That was really cool. I loved it.
It was a good time.
It was a good time.
On the right,
I had so much fun.
make sure you turn your windshield wipers into the on position.
Thank you. Alright.
That was a lot of fun.
Yeah, that was actually a really good time.
That
It's
was.
a little car wash, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, look,
This is terrifying to me now, though, because, like, I have to get out, and
Here's the Colabella van.
I can't really
Oh,
see.
did you see
fine.
them? That's so fun.
Really? Where are they?
Where?
Over there.
In
What?
the line still?
Yes.
They're behind us?
Oh, right in that line over there.
Oh, they're in the line?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
They were first, they were second.
No, I don't think they were behind us, were they?
No.
Wow.